Ever felt that sinking feeling when a customer hits that Pay Now button, but the money seems to take forever to show up in your lemonway account? Frustrating, right? You're not alone. Many businesses using lemonway struggle to get a grip on their finances because of slow payouts and hidden fees. But fear not, fellow entrepreneurs. Today's video is all about turning your lemonway account into a money magnet, attracting funds faster and keeping them flowing smoothly. So, buckle up and get ready to supercharge your lemonway experience. The pain of slow payouts. Let's face it, waiting days or even weeks for your hard-earned cash can be a major pain. It disrupts your cash flow, makes it hard to plan, and can even impact your ability to fulfill orders or invest in growth. This is especially true for businesses operating on tight margins or with high volumes of transactions. Why does lemonway take time? There are a few reasons why payouts from lemonway might take longer than you'd like. Standard processing. Traditional bank transfers can take several business days to clear. This is because the funds need to travel through a network of financial institutions, each with its own processing time. Regulatory compliance. Lemonway, like any financial service provider, has to comply with strict regulations to prevent fraud and money laundering. These checks can add an extra layer of time to the process. Marketplace dynamics. For marketplaces using lemonway, there's an additional step. The platform needs to verify transactions between buyers and sellers before releasing funds. The faster money out solution. Luckily, lemonway offers a solution for businesses that can't afford to wait: faster money out. This service utilizes blockchain technology, specifically RippleNet, to move funds between accounts in a matter of seconds, not days. It's like having a financial fast track. Here's the catch: faster money out currently only works in euros and requires both the sender and receiver banks to be part of the Ripple network. However, as the technology expands, this is expected to change. Optimizing your lemonway account. Even if you can't access faster money out yet, there are still ways to optimize your lemonway experience and get your money flowing faster. Minimize chargebacks. Chargebacks occur when a customer disputes a transaction and their bank reverses the payment. This can not only delay your payout but also come with additional fees. To minimize chargebacks, ensure you have a clear and transparent return policy, provide excellent customer service, and use fraud detection tools. KYC verification. KYC, Know Your Customer, verification is an essential step in lemonway's onboarding process. The faster you complete and maintain your KYC documentation, the smoother your transactions will be. Batch payouts. Instead of processing payouts one at a time, consider using batch payouts, especially for marketplaces with high transaction volumes. This can save you time and potentially reduce fees. Beyond lemonway, diversifying your payment options. While lemonway is a powerful tool, it's not the only option in the game. Consider offering alternative payment methods like popular e-wallets or instant bank transfers. This can give your customers more flexibility and potentially speed up the payment process. Building trust with faster payouts. Remember, faster payouts aren't just about your bottom line. They also build trust and customer satisfaction. When your customers receive their funds quickly, they're more likely to return and do business with you again. By implementing these strategies, you can transform your lemonway account from a slow-moving stream to a powerful financial engine. Remember, getting paid faster isn't just about convenience, it's about giving your business the fuel it needs to thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep that cash flow flowing.